Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about a cool feature in our FlexMeeting plugin. If you are running an online multi-vendor store and you want to sell live sessions, you can do that using Jitsi Meet with our FlexMeeting plugin. And I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. And I'm using Dokan multi-vendor plugin as an example, but you can use any multi-vendor plugin you wish. The process is same for every one of them. Okay, now you can see we are in our WordPress dashboard. Make sure you have your Multivendor plugin and WooCommerce plugin installed in your site. Now let's go ahead and add the FlexMeeting plugin. We'll search FlexMeeting in here and there it is. Let's install it. Okay, it's installed and now let's activate it. Quick note here, if you want to use this feature, you have to upgrade to the ultimate version of FlexMeeting. For that, just go to this section here, upgrade to ultimate, and you can just upgrade to the ultimate version of FlexMeeting from this site. Okay, after you have upgraded to the ultimate version of FlexMeeting, just go to add-ons, and here you will see Multivendor Add-on for FlexMeeting. Just enable it. And the setup is done. Now go to your multi-vendor dashboard and from here click on Jitsi Meet, create a new meeting here and set it up. Hit save and now you have your meeting all ready to go. Now go to your products. Okay, here you can create a new product from scratch and integrate the Jitsi Meeting for the live session to work, but I'm going to show you how you can edit an existing product and make that into your live session product. Okay, let's click on this product, and first of all you need to turn on this checkbox that says partial, and let's go down, and here you will see the option to select Jitsi Meet as product. Let's tick this and choose our meeting that we created and let's save it and you're done. It's that simple. Now your live sessions are available as products directly on your website. Sell courses and live sessions without installing any additional plugins. The Multivendor add-on comes with FlexMeeting Ultimate. Upgrade today and let every vendor turn their expertise into video income.